guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys read the title and today's video is going to be super interesting. I'm going to show you guys products under 350 and these products are amazing. They're absolutely kick-ass and I love all of these products so much. And the cheapest product in this entire video is only for 75 rupees. Majority products makeup products है, so अभी जो festive season है, शादी वगैरह है, उसके लिए perfect video होगा. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start with kind of like a skincare product that I've been using a lot these days, and that is by Good Vibes, and that is the Good Vibes Aloe Vera Soothing Face Cream. So this is what it looks like. I have used quite a bit of it, as you guys can see. This is such a good moisturizing cream. At the same time, ये बहुत ज़्यादा lightweight है. I've been using this before I do my makeup because as you guys know, मेरी skin बहुत ज़्यादा dry and flaky हो गई है, and I do need something very moisturizing for my skin right now. Especially my cheek area, ये जो area है and जो मेरे under eyes है, don't know what is up with them. They're super dry, so I've been really enjoying this product so much. इसमें थोड़ा सा fragrance है, but it's not like overwhelming या कुछ, and वो काफी जल्दी ना dissipate हो जाती है. So that is what I like, and I already have a backup, and this is the coconut variant. This video is for 225 rupees, but आपको discount में और better price में मिल जाएगा. The next product that I have, it's an oldie but a goodie, and I've been using this a lot these days. Again because इसका ना थोड़ा creamy texture है, and that is the Miss Claire Full Coverage makeup. This is what it looks like. So this is something that I use as a concealer mostly. मेरा shade है 04 beige. This is what it looks like. So again a very well loved product, and इसको मैं पहले बहुत ज़्यादा use करती थी. So this has a very creamy texture. So if you have like super like dry skin जैसे मेरी normally होती है ना, तो आपको ये अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Can you see how easily it just melts into your skin? And I like to use a nice damp beauty blender with this, and you can use this all over your face, but पूरे face के लिए थोड़ा heavy लगता है मुझे, but just under my eyes and stuff, especially when I'm going out wearing a mask and everything, तो मुझे full face करने की जरूरत नहीं है. I just use it on my under eyes and I'm good to go. Now these retail for 275 rupees only, and you get a lot of quantity. This will last you a very long time. Next thing again is a face product, and मुझे ये product भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. इसको मैंने अपने पिछले कोई shorts video में The next product is again a face product, and that is the Lakme 925 Primer Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. This is what it looks like, and I am in the shade warm beige. I do think this is a bit too yellow for me, so I need to like find a lighter shade इसमें, but this has been such a blessing for me right now, again with the whole dry skin scenario. Now this retails for originally 475 rupees, but अभी नायका पे सेल पे ये exactly 350 rupees का मिल रहा है. This has medium coverage, but it is super lightweight actually, so आपका face बहुत केकी फील नहीं होगा. इसका पैकेजिंग थोड़ा messy है. It has this spatula and the foundation is a bit runny. Also this literally reminds me of my school annual day, because मेरे स्कूल के annual day में ना जितने भी मेरी टीचर्स मेकअप करती थी तो ऐसी स्मेल होती थी. I think they all used to use Lakme only back in the day, और कुछ मिलता भी नहीं था. So if you guys don't like very fragrant based products, then you might not like this. At the same time इसका smell overpowering नहीं है, and it does go away after a while. Now this says it's matte, but it's not overly matte. It does not dehydrate my face or anything. So yeah, it's been working really well for me right now. Alright, ये जो next makeup product है, अगर आप makeup use करते हो, I want you guys to try this. You will not regret this. This is by Nykaa. This is what it looks like, and this is their compact powder. So I've been wanting a compact powder for how long? Like literally every video मैं यही बोलती थी मुझे एक नया compact powder try करना है, and finally found this. So this is Nykaa All Day Matte Compact Powder, and I am in the shade Ivory 01. Now this retails for 225 rupees, and मुझे इस पे भी थोड़ा discount मिला था. This is what it looks like. So it has a decent sized pan, and I have been just using it every single time I do my makeup, and ये बहुत flaky and powdery नहीं है, so it just sets your makeup in place so well. It will give you a little bit of coverage as well. That's what I've noticed, and it does keep me matte for a long period of time. And I know I said कि मेरी skin बहुत dry हो रही है, but 1-2 घंटे के बाद वो oil निकल ही जाता है, so my skin is at the same time super oily. I know it's just very weird, but yeah, this has been really handy. I'm so glad I got this, and अगर आपको एक अच्छा सा compact powder चाहिए, you can definitely look into this. Okay, so next we have eyeshadows, and this is by ELF, and this is the bite size eyeshadow. I've already spoken about this brown variant. This is what it looks like. right here. It's very very pretty. So this time I got another variant and इसी को मैंने आज अपने eyes पे use किया है. So this has like all of these mauve shades. आप इस एक palette से काफी सारे looks create कर सकते हो. You can go for an all matte eye shadow या फिर थोड़ा matte and जो shimmer मैंने किया है आज, या फिर अगर आपको थोड़ा सा सिर्फ एक shimmer लगाना है. These palettes are cohesive and I do enjoy इसका जो formula है, very pigmented and they just look so pretty. And yeah, I'll just show you guys a swatch. Can you guys see? Look at that. इतना सुंदर स्वॉच हुआ है ये. It looks even better on the eyes. And अगर आप एक बिगनर हो या फिर अगर आप इतना मेकअप नहीं लगाते, you don't want like a 12 pan या फिर 35 pan eyeshadow palette because you won't get a lot of use out of this. But you can get one or two of these according to आपको कौन सा color palette अच्छा लगता है and उसके हिसाब से आप इसको use कर सकते हो. I do think that these are amazing. इनका original price 350 each है. आपको discount में और better prices मिल जाएंगे. But I do feel like the quality of the eyeshadow is really good, so I don't mind paying 350 for these. ये जो next product I bought this recently off of Amazon actually and I've been using this so much. So this is what it looks like. It's a blush, contour and even highlighter palette. So this is by Swiss Beauty and it's called the Ultra Blush Palette. Mera shade is 02. So this is what it looks like and this has so many blush shades. It has two bronzer contour type of shades and then also has two highlighters. Now first things first, ये जो highlighters है they are not like I don't like them, but ये जो bronzer and contour shade है I feel like these are so spot on. Like it's not too warm, it's not too grey. अगर आप मेरी तरह bronzer से ही contour करना पसंद करते हो, these shades are absolutely perfect. And even though all of these blush shades look the same, थोड़ा difference है and I feel कि मेरा काम निकल जाता है honestly. I love the formulation. These are pigmented so you have to use a light hand. This palette you will find for anywhere between 250 to 350 rupees. मैंने 275 का लिया था, so very good deal. And this is also super nice for traveling and this is something जो मैं definitely अपने साथ carry करने वाली हूँ. So yeah, I've been really enjoying this as well. Since Diwali is right around the corner, I decided to do a giveaway. So one of you will be getting all of these products. The eyeshadow palette, this is such a good colorful eyeshadow palette, and then a serum, a K-beauty primer and a facial oil, and these amazing vitamin C products from Lakme, some sheet masks and of course body products क्योंकि winters आ रहे हैं. To win these products, all you have to do is be a subscriber, comment down below, and that is it. That's all you have to do, and I will reply to the winner's comment in about a week. Good luck. So I've been using something new for my underarms and this is by Plum Body Lovin' and this is their deodorizing pit cream. This is what it looks like and this is in the variant Vanilla Vibes. So आप लोगों को पता है मुझे इनका पूरा जो bath and body range है बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है and this is something that I ordered a while back but I did not use it. This is basically a solid texture and थोड़ा balmy consistency है. So you scoop some out and then you can melt it on your fingers and then apply it under your arms या फिर आप सीधा इसको लगा सकते हो. It is basically a deodorant for your underarms and अगर आपको वो roll on नहीं पसंद, this is such a good alternative. If you have extreme body odor, इसका जो fragrance है it will last up to 4 to 5 hours and then you will have to reapply it. And this one is also for like around 350 rupees only. मैं इसका भी link डाल दूंगी. I have a highlighter for you guys and this is by In Color Exposed. So I think I tried this in my cheapest Nykaa products वाला video and ever since I got this I have been really enjoying this and this retails for 249 or something. This is what it looks like. So my shade is 07. So ये जो highlighter है ना, it is very very nice. Can you see कितना ज़्यादा shine करता है? I personally really love this for my inner corners especially because बिल्कुल ना inner corners ऐसे bright हो जाते हैं. Like I really like that effect. You guys know once you apply it, it really blends into your skin. I've been really enjoying this. इसमें काफी सारे shades हैं, so you can see which one you would like. And who doesn't love a good highlighter? मतलब festive season में तो you want a very nice highlighter. कुछ होना हो, एक अच्छा highlighter होना चाहिए. इसको आप अपने eyelids पे भी लगा सकते हो as a shimmer shade. So this will keep you sorted and you can use it all over your body as well. Alright, the last two products that I have for you guys in this video are lip products. The first one is this Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. I love this stuff so much. I'm gonna try to open this but I'm gonna fail. मेरे nails ही ना निकल जाए. Okay, ये मेरे से खुल नहीं रहा है. I'm really sorry but इसके अंदर बहुत of course बट बेसिकली इसके अंदर एक लेयर ऑफ पेट्रोलियम जेली है. आई एम रियली सॉरी, आई कांट आस्क माय मॉम टू ओपन दिस राइट नाउ बिकॉज शी इज इन अ मीटिंग. बट या, दिस इज जस्ट लाइक योर नॉर्मल वैसलीन पेट्रोलियम जेली. नाउ द रीजन व्हाई आई वुड रेकमेंड दिस इज बिकॉज ए, विंटर्स आ रहे हैं, किसी को भी ड्राई स्किन नहीं पसंद, एंड मेरे तो लिप्स बहुत ज्यादा फ्लेकी हो जाते हैं. सो दिस इज जस्ट समथिंग आई कैरी. बी, दिस इज नॉट जस्ट फॉर योर लिप्स, you can use it all over your body. So when I'm out and stuff like that, my hands are feeling dry, especially because we sanitize and wash it so much. This is just like a small magical little thing, you know, it will keep you sorted for good winter season mein. And I really love the multi-purpose use of Vaseline. So yeah, this is something that I had to include in this. This retails for 249 rupees, but you may get it on discount. And the last product and the cheapest product here is this lipstick by L18, and this is only for 75 rupees. यहाँ पे लिखा भी हुआ है 75 rupees. So this is their Color Pops lipstick and my shade is Nude Fix. Now I know मैंने बहुत साल पहले इसके बारे में बहुत बात की थी, and then I stopped using this and my lipstick expired. So I recently repurchased this because this is such a pretty shade, you guys. Like, I absolutely love this shade. This is what it looks like. Such a nice pretty nude. I'm gonna apply some of it. Now this is not super matte, this is definitely more creamy matte. इतना comfortable formula है, इतना प्यारा shade है, इसमें इतने सारे shades आते हैं, and I do think they really nailed the formula and also the shade. And I do feel like ऐसे lipsticks आपको 500-600 rupees के भी मिलते हैं same formula के, and you are getting it for only 75 rupees. This does transfer a little, but I don't personally have an issue with this, and I really enjoy the formula, the color and everything. इसका ना formula actually बहुत apt है. You can also use it on your cheeks and stuff. And yeah, that is everything that I have for you guys in this video. Every product that I showed you guys was under 350 rupees, and these are all amazing products. मैं सारे products के link description box में डाल दूंगी in case you want to check them out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that these products are helpful for you अगर आप कोई भी look create करना चाहते हो दिवाली के लिए, शादी के लिए या कुछ भी. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.